Welcome. If you want to get PubG Mobile on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to get the second smartphone, and right here you have to download this game. Of course you have to get access to the Play Store on the smartphone, and after that you have to open the phone call application to transfer data. In the Huawei smartphone you will get this application as a default, but if you are using any other brand you have to download it also from the Play Store, like the PubG game. And right now when you are in this application you have to tap on, this is the old phone on the smartphone with the Play Store, and this is the new device on the P40 Lite 5G. Select all phone type, so I am picking the Huawei because this one is Huawei P40 Pro, and here we are able to connect in the two ways. We can scan this QR code and we can also input the password manually. So just pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Right now they are connecting, and here we are. So it's very important to unselect other things. Scroll down at the bottom, go for the apps and data, and here just find the PubG Mobile. And the game is right here, available to select. So click OK, tap transfer, click OK, input your log method. And now just wait until it finishes. Transfer. Right now click OK on the second smartphone. And the game is importing on our P40 Lite 5G, so we have to be patient and just wait on the 100%. And as you can see, the transfer is complete, so right now we can tap finish and try to open the game. So let's check if it is working. Right now we have to grant the permission. Let me just check if the Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay, it's not, so I have to connect to the Wi-Fi, because without it we are not going to be able to connect to the game. Sorry for this mistake. Okay, and now I'm going back for the game. You know what, I'm going to open this game one more time, because without the Wi-Fi connection I think there was some kind of problem, and there's the notification with this error. So I think that right now we are going to skip it. And as you can see, right now it is working. It is the checking for the updates and also preparing sources. So right now it is going to download available patches. Okay, update is finished, so we have to restart the game. Okay, and as you can see, finally we are able to log into the game with the Facebook or the Twitter account. So as you can see, the game is working. I hope that you enjoyed this method to get the PubG on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.